inside out, but fuck is it's teasing the shit out of me. Like, I love spring for the weather, but just cancels it out. It's so hard to stifle. It's brutal. Fucking pollen everywhere. Fuck, it's teasing the shit out. It's teasing the shit out of me. I know I said we could post a video. So if I fuck this subs, but this fuck is teasing me so bad. It's teasing me so bad. I feel like this is worth a video. Cause I'm fucking miserable. I've been like this the whole fucking day. But I'm just gonna let this shit. It feels nice letting them out, but I still feel like shit. Like, everything just fucking hurts. Like, I didn't think Mother Nature could be like this bad. Like, the pollen gets be this bad. Oh my god. Stop. I was so congested. Just fucking. Yeah, fuck. At least it makes a good video though. Fuck. It just like fucking hurt. God. I wanted to go through a whole fucking spree of this. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this shit. He's still fucking going. I don't know how this is just a fucking go on a fucking 8-ball. Like, it's just my face is just so itchy. I have no idea. Like, at least this makes for a good video. I sound like a fucking diet. I feel like it, but holy shit. Oh, it's still fucking teasing me. Fuck, I think that's it.